I think it's a talent thing,
Mm-hmm.
not necessarily a capital thing.
Okay.
It just in our case, where there's a lot of capital in America.
Yeah.
Our issue is not availability of capital in America. Some other countries, maybe.
Yeah.
I don't think that's our problem. I think it's more about bringing talent into our industries, and getting young people to want to be in, engineering type fields, or work in manufacturing companies, and kind of get all the challenges in there. I mean, we run a very dynamic business. I mean, any of the functions, I would say you could take any of the functions that we do, and I could make a case they're pretty darn challenging and just as much fun as other things that you might be attacking in our area. You can always move to Hollywood and get something that's more glamorous or something. But if you want to really work hard, have a good career, be challenged in your field, we have stuff. So I think it's getting people to understand that, and talent. I mean, my daughters want to work in, financial fields and public relations and stuff like that. And I try to get them, come here. You will learn a lot working in a company here. And it's kind of what you want to do. Also, I always wanted to work in this kind of thing, so I naturally gravitated towards it. And we do a lot to try to, tell our story, like today, and to attract people into our company. The headquarters here, it's not an accident. They're on either side of the interstate, and they look alike. I mean, they created an image for the company. It's not the only reason we did it, but it's one reason we did it. And we have a very long-serving senior guy here. He said, since we built those buildings, people ask me, about where I work. They know where I work all these years, but now they ask me, can you take my resume? And I'm thinking about maybe changing careers and stuff like that. So it does make a difference.